Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code this one. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do is this error only occurs that whenever you have no product key on your computer, on your Windows found by your computer. To fix the issue, first of all, in step 1, what you have to do is run some commands on the Windows PowerShell. To open Windows PowerShell, click the Windows key and type in PowerShell, and you will see PowerShell. Click on it and you will be able to see PowerShell. To run commands, simply what you have to do is simply copy any command, paste and hit enter, and again copy, paste it and enter. At the end it will ask for you to enter this command, and then instead of this X you have to enter the number which you can find from this section. If you're using Windows 10 Home or Windows 11 Home, then you can type this, or if you're using the Pro version, you can use this one instead of X. And then in this step number 2, you have to go to the Windows Update section. For instance, you have to enter the Windows key and type in update, and simply click on check for updates to open this page, and click on check for updates. After updating, what you have to do is open PowerShell again, and you have to type in these commands, and after running all the commands you have to reboot your PC and then go to the step number 3. And then simply what you have to do is go to this section called activation settings. Here you will be able to see a troubleshoot button. As you can see, there is no troubleshoot button on my screen. Why? Because I have already activated my Windows, but if your Windows is not activated, then you will see the troubleshoot, and then click on troubleshoot and then simply select I changed hardware on this device recently. After selecting that, enter your Microsoft account and password. Now from the list of devices that are linked to your Microsoft account, select the checkbox next to this, select this is the device I'm using right now, and simply click on activate. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.